In today's video, I'm about to show you how to get NordVPN Chromecast with Google TV. So let's just proceed. So it is now available for Chromecast with Google TV. You can see if you scroll down, you have these options of TV. You can see we have VPN for Fire Stick and VPN for Chromecast. So you can head over to this, and this is the exact thing that we need. And this is going to be providing you the service for your Chromecast. You can click on this download VPN for Chromecast and it will be leading you to that section. Now before you download, you can head over to the link in the description to access your 70% off. So that is going to be a huge value that I recommend you guys. So I hope this helps, and thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and also take care. So see you around in the next video.